In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Facebook page posts from automatically sharing to your story. If you manage a Facebook business page and notice that every new post jumps into your story without you planning it, this quick setting will give you back control. We'll walk through where to find it, what it does, and a few tips to avoid confusion along the way. First, head to your Facebook business page and open Settings. Make sure you're viewing Facebook as your page and not as your personal profile. If you're seeing your personal feed, switch into the page profile first. On the left side of your page, look for the Settings option. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Page Settings or appear under a settings gear icon near the bottom of the sidebar. Click that to open the full settings area. Next, in the left-hand menu inside Settings, select Posts. This section controls how your page handles publishing defaults, including whether posts are shared to your story automatically. If you don't see posts right away, scroll the menu. On some layouts, it's grouped with other page preferences. Opening Posts brings up a simple list of toggles related to how your content is shared. Now, find the option called Always Share Posts to Story and toggle it off. When this switch is on, every new post you publish gets pushed to your story by default. Turning it off stops that automation. This change applies to future posts, so anything you publish after switching it off will stay as a regular post unless you manually choose to share it to your story. Once that toggle is off, you're all set. New posts will no longer automatically appear in your page's story. If you ever want to re-enable the automation, just come back to the Same Posts section and turn the toggle back on. It's also worth noting that this setting won't remove anything that's already in your story. It only affects what happens from now on. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you manage multiple pages, double-check you're in the right one before changing settings. If you don't see the Posts option, you might be in a different version of the page experience. Try the search bar within Settings and look for Story or Post Sharing. And if you work with a team, let them know you've turned off auto-sharing so everyone follows the same posting workflow. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having more control over how your page content shows up in stories.